What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Alxr and today I'm back with another custom, another hydro dip. So today we're going to be hydro dipping just a simple all black pair of Air Max 97s. The colours we're going to be using are black and green. Let's go hydro dip some Air Max. Let's go. The colours I'm going to be using are green and black. So let's get to spraying. So this is what the first dip looks like then. It's looking pretty sick, you know. I got black, I got green. Now I just need to dip the shoes. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Bro, that's like some huge green bit. There's a bunch of swells on this side, which is good. But the other side is like, it's pretty blocky. First shoe done, now let's spray for the second shoe. So this is the second dip then. I got the right shoe ready. I'm gonna go ahead and dip them in now. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see what they look like then. Oh, that is so sick. So they're completely done then. I think they turned out pretty sick. I think just having this part hydrated, it's kind of subtle, but at the same time it's really not because it's neon green. Kind of makes like quite a cool contrast, I think. But yeah, make sure to let me know what you guys think of them. Would you wear them? Because I'm giving them away. One of you will be able to wear them. So to enter the giveaway for these, all you've got to do is subscribe with post notifications on, like this video, and follow my Instagram, it's @Alxr, and I'll pick and announce the giveaway winner 20th of December. So make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram and subscribe. Also, you see this post right here on my Instagram. That's also a giveaway. And today I'm going to announce the giveaway winner. So the giveaway winner for the Air Max 90s is Emmanuel_Akinwell. So congrats, you won the Air Max 90s. Okay, so today's comment shout out goes to Clap Customs. I appreciate you watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like. And also, we just hit 500,000 subscribers. 500,000. That is just so crazy. Thank you for 500,000. I'll see you guys in a couple of days for a new video. I'm out. Peace.